Unleash your inner photographer without breaking the bank. A budget mirrorless camera for beginners is your gateway to capturing stunning moments with ease. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 budget mirrorless cameras for beginners available on the market. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras for beginners. The 5th product on this list is the Olympus OMDE M5 Mark III. How much do you love taking pictures and videos? Get ready to capture the perfect shot. This compact and lightweight interchangeable lens camera features a next-generation 20.4 megapixel high-resolution MOS sensor. Its processor gives this latest addition to Olympus's award-winning OMD line of micro 4/3 cameras improved image quality and extra speed. The OMD system has been developed with the ultimate goal of creating digital cameras that provide every photographer with a traditional, intuitive, and comfortable shooting experience. Moreover, its compact design and in-body 5-axis image stabilization help reduce unwanted camera shake, while its rugged weatherproofing can withstand harsh conditions. This means you can take pictures anywhere, whether in a rainforest or while hiking through the woods. Plus, a 50 megapixel high-resolution shot takes 3 shots in rapid succession to create a single image with 50 megapixel resolution. What you see is what you get, and the difference will be instantly noticeable when reviewing the photos on your computer. Its pros are: its RAW capture is available when using the ART mode, so you're not locked into a single choice of processing. It has an interchangeable lens camera and good lighting conditions, and it has high-resolution EVF with 100% coverage, and touch autofocus functionality gives you more control. However, its smaller image sensor limits resolution and depth of field control. The Olympus OMDE M5 Mark III offers a compact, weather-sealed design to pair with your available lens or as an upgrade for your mirrorless camera kit. Up next in 4th place is the Sony Alpha A6400. Do you need a travel buddy that will capture the best shots? Then this camera might be the one for you. It has a 24.2 megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor and a Bion ZX image processor to produce high-quality imagery with excellent low-light performance. Its sensor design is paired with the Bion ZX processing engine for improved detail, resolution, and sensitivity. Also, it utilizes an electronic first curtain shutter, allowing the sensor to take in light immediately during shooting while keeping shutter noise to a minimum. In addition, the real-time eye autofocus activates the infrared light on the front of the camera to help produce sharp images of your subject's eyes, ensuring that portraits look natural when using shallow depth of field or macro lenses. This compact APS-C format camera offers a tilting touch LCD screen and an electronic viewfinder. It's ideal for those looking to shoot fast-moving subjects in the field or more seriously capture some unique, candid lifestyle shots. This mirrorless camera is the perfect blend of compact form factor, an interchangeable lens system with a quality sensor, and video capability. Its pros are: its APS-C format delivers a solid balance of size, image quality, and depth of field control. It manages an 11 frames per second burst rate, and it has 4K video without a recording limit, which makes it ideal for a lot of videographers. However, it doesn't include an external wall charger to replenish the battery when it is outside the camera. The Sony Alpha A6400 brings a brand new generation of mirrorless technology that will capture the moment of its entirety without breaking the bank. Still haven't found a budget mirrorless camera for beginners that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Fujifilm X-T30 II. Get ready to create, inspire, and choose the camera that will make your photos and videos treasured forever. It captures stunning photos and videos and offers a range of creative features to help you express yourself through photography. This camera is a compact shooter that combines retro styling with modern technology while retaining all the core features you'd expect from a flagship device. Its 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor and X-Trans 4 CMOS EXR processor ensure high image quality, and the vari-angle touchscreen and dial-based control system makes shooting easier than ever. Additionally, it incorporates new features such as 4K video, Bluetooth, and a tilting screen, providing an excellent visual experience. Capture everything that inspires you with a simple touch of the shutter button, or experiment with the 18 film simulation modes. Use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to share your memories with friends and family on social media. So what are you waiting for? Preserve your best memories with this camera. Its pros are: It offers 18 film simulation modes coupled with an ultra-fast shooting rate. It has a dial-based control system to make shooting easier than ever, and it lets you mount an external flash while maintaining an elegant, streamlined appearance. However, it has a small buffer limit burst capacity. The Fujifilm X-T30 II will help you unlock the full power of your photography and filmmaking, providing all the tools you need to express yourself artistically. The second product on this list is the Nikon Z5. Are you looking for an incredibly compact full-frame camera with a wide range of features? This camera is designed to make every photo you take look like a masterpiece. This full-frame mirrorless camera captures sharp, lifelike details with vibrant colors. It boasts a 24.3 megapixel sensor and 5-axis in-body image stabilization, ensuring crystal clear images of your most important moments. Additionally, it offers 4K and 1080p video recording capabilities for capturing incredible footage to enjoy later. The D4S class performance ensures stunning photos and smooth, clear video with low noise at all sensitivity settings up to ISO 102/400. Capture the life you love through both photos and videos. Its superior image quality, versatility, and revolutionary features make it a true multimedia powerhouse that redefines how we capture moments. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, this camera's innovative autofocus system keeps your subject sharp. From stunning landscapes to powerful wildlife shots, your photos will be nothing short of epic. Its pros are: its tilting touchscreen display lets you compose photos or videos at any angle. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and works with the Nikon SnapBridge app to send images to your smartphone. And it has a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, dust and splash protection, and dual memory card slots. However, its facial autofocus can struggle in certain lighting conditions. The Nikon Z5 combines a lightweight body with an advanced imaging system for outstanding image quality and quiet operation, making it ideal for long periods of continuous shooting. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, the top budget mirrorless camera for beginners is the Canon EOS R8. Your camera is your storyteller. Experience the power to create and control your camera's focus even when capturing fast-moving subjects. This full-frame mirrorless camera is packed with remarkable features, making it the ideal choice for beginners. From portraits and events to wildlife and sports, it excels at shooting various subjects. You'll enjoy high image quality with improved resolution at low ISO speeds and minimal noise at high ISO speeds. Thanks to its innovative new RF mount design, dual-pixel autofocus technology, and Digic X image processor, outstanding image quality is at your fingertips. What's more, it offers uncropped 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring exceptional image quality in your videos. With subject detection and tracking technology, this camera automatically identifies contrasty subjects in the frame, adjusting focus and exposure for precise results. It features a versatile touchscreen display, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, simplifying the sharing of your photos and videos with the world. Capture your world in the most compelling and engaging way possible. This budget mirrorless camera is the perfect choice for beginners, offering unbeatable value and performance. Its pros are: it's lightweight, compact, and has a smart design. It offers up to 40 frames per second bursts with an electronic shutter. It provides a wide array of subject detection autofocus modes, and it has competitive video modes, including 10-bit and 4K in camera. However, it has rather poor battery life, which can be an issue on long shooting days. The Canon EOS R8 is unstoppable everywhere you go. It is designed to deliver high image quality in a compact, lightweight, and stylish body while allowing you to stick to a budget. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.